Today's video is a little bit different. Instead of my usual content, I want to share something personal. My YouTube success story. It's been a journey of persistence, setbacks, and ultimate triumph, and I hope it inspires you to keep pushing forward. Let's dive in. If you are passionate about the law of attraction or the teachings of Neville Goddard, this channel is for you. Here we explore powerful insights, transformative techniques, and deep wisdom to help you manifest your dreams and shift your mindset. This is not an income-friendly channel, but a space for personal growth and self-discovery. To everyone who's thinking about quitting, listen to this. This is my story, a story of resilience, setbacks, and finally success. If you're about to give up, I urge you to hear me out. What I've learned over the past year is something I wish I knew earlier. Quitting only guarantees failure, but persistence can turn even the bleakest journey into a success story. I started my YouTube channel in November 2023, uploading audiobooks twice a week. I was consistent, putting in the effort, hoping to see some traction. Then, something incredible happened. In December, one of my videos went viral. On my birthday, December 20, that video gained over 200 watch hours in just one day. The excitement was unreal. This was it. I was finally getting somewhere. The goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for monetization suddenly felt within reach. By January 2024, my subscriber count had crossed 1,000, and my total watch hours had skyrocketed to over 29,000, all thanks to that one viral video. I thought I had made it, but the truth was, my real challenge had only begun. On January 25, I eagerly applied for monetization, convinced that I would finally start earning from my hard work. A week later, the email arrived, but it wasn't the one I expected. My application was rejected. The reason? Reused content. My heart sank. I couldn't believe it. All that effort, all those hours, and I was being told that my content wasn't original enough. I was crushed. But instead of giving up, I decided to adapt. I removed most of my videos, leaving only those on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of attraction. I had a plan: to reapply for monetization after a month and prove to myself that I could make this work. Then came the second blow. When I checked my analytics, my watch hours had plummeted from 29,000 to just 265. It felt like I was back to square one. I reached out to YouTube support, and their advice was really motivating. Try harder and meet the requirements again. That moment changed everything for me. I had two choices: quit and lose everything, or push through and rebuild. I chose the latter. Determined to rise again, I created a content calendar that stretched all the way to December 2024. I committed to uploading 2 videos per week for 6 months straight. In the beginning, progress was slow and I was a little bit inconsistent. In January, I uploaded 4 videos with 1,100 views and 68.7 watch hours. February saw only 3,000 views and 321 watch hours. I uploaded 9 videos in February. March was a challenging month. I uploaded 5 videos with the channel accumulating 696 views and 37.4 watch hours, but with a loss of 5 subscribers. I was very inconsistent in the month of March because I have exams all over in March. Though I have exams, however, I managed to upload at least 5 videos to continue the momentum. I kept going. I forced myself to push past the frustration, reminding myself why I started in the first place. April showed 2.5K views and 157.1 watch hours with 52 new subscribers. I uploaded 6 videos. A notable spike occurred in the last week of April because one of my videos got more than 1,000 views. From January to April, my total watch hours are 585 hours. Still, 3,415 watch hours are yet to reach. In May, I uploaded 9 videos. The channel had 2K views and 116.5 watch hours, gaining 42 new subscribers. By June, I uploaded 5 videos. The channel experienced 1.9K views and 88.3 watch hours, with 23 new subscribers. July was even worse, a slow month. I uploaded 6 videos. The channel received 1.1K views and 48.2 watch hours, along with 11 new subscribers. It was exhausting. I was working a part-time job at the same time, struggling to balance everything. There were nights I questioned whether all of this was even worth it. But something inside me kept saying, keep going. Then came August, and something shifted. I uploaded 4 videos. In August, I gained 2.9K views and 196.7 watch hours, with 61 new subscribers added. A small win, but a win nonetheless. Compared to previous months, this was an improvement, indicating gradual progress. The graph shows steady growth, with a notable peak in mid-August. My total watch hours until August was 1,034.7. This was my 7th month of restarting my channel. And then came the month that changed everything, September. I uploaded 8 videos. One of my videos popped off. Within days, it started gaining thousands of views. My watch hours skyrocketed to 825 in that month alone, with 12.3K views. My total watch hours until September reached 1,860. I couldn't believe my eyes. I had gained 293 subscribers in a single month. For the first time, after a long time, I felt hope. October was a strong month, and my watch hours increased by another 1,263 new subscribers. My views are 14,000 in just 1 month. I uploaded 8 videos. That was the moment I knew I could do this. I had a catalog of 60-plus videos at this point, and my total watch hours reached 2,860. It was happening. I was getting closer to the goal I had set a year ago. October was my best month until now. November brought in 8.9K views, 562.6 watch hours, and 166 new subscribers. I uploaded 11 videos. I changed my uploading strategy. I started to upload 3 videos per week. Till October, I was uploading 2 videos per week. December saw 10.5K views, 566.6 watch hours, and 131 new subscribers. I uploaded 13 videos. By the end of December, I was sitting at almost 3,800 total watch hours. Then, on January 15, 2025, the moment I had worked so hard for finally arrived. I hit 4,000 watch hours. On the same day, I received the email, my channel was monetized. I was officially a YouTube partner. It took 1 full year of relentless effort, but I had done it. I danced joyfully for about 5 minutes. The channel performed well in January 2025, accumulating 5.5K views with 70 new subscribers. That day, I made my first earnings, 89 cents, less than $1, but to me, it was priceless. It was proof that everything I had endured was worth it. The sleepless nights, the discouraging analytics, the setbacks, it all led to this moment. My dream had finally come true. This journey has taught me one of the most important lessons of my life. Quitting is never an option. I had seen failure before. My first YouTube channel in 2015 had been demonetized due to mistakes I made. In 2018, I started another channel in the arts niche, uploaded 25 videos passionately, and gave up too soon when views didn't come. But this time, I refused to quit. This time, I pushed through. And this time, I won. I came across a video by Myron Golden that resonated deeply with me. He said, do 1 video a week for 10 years and don't care about views, subscribers, or earnings. Just keep going. That hit me hard. Expectation was my biggest enemy. When I let go of expecting instant success and just focused on the work, things started to change. To anyone watching this who feels like quitting, don't. You never know when your breakthrough moment will come. It could be 1 video away, 1 month away, 1 year away, but it will come. The key is to keep showing up. If I stopped uploading after July or August, I wouldn't be creating that video that helps to accelerate my watch hours. That video till date got 20,000 views and more than 1,400 watch hours. So, as a small content creator, my advice is to stay consistent, keep learning, keep improving, because if you quit, all the hard work you've done will be wasted. Keep going and you will see the results, surely. So the estimated revenue for the first month being monetized was $10.71. If my story inspired you, share this video with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more motivation, and remember, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who refuse to give up. Your moment is coming. Just keep pushing forward.